In this video, I will show you how to register for Wells Fargo credit card online. So for that, what you can do is simply download the Wells Fargo app or simply open Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Wells Fargo credit card. Then this URL will open. Simply click on it. Now you can find various types of cards here, or you could simply scroll down below and you will find these options. Read the credit terms for the one that you want. And once you have a pick in mind, simply click on apply now. Now from here, put in your personal details like name, last name, and then your date of birth, your IDs, your social security number, your address, zip code, mobile number, email address, your financial information. After you are done filling up all the information, scroll down below. Here you can see the terms and conditions. Read all of them. Then tick on I have read all the terms and conditions. Then the submit button will light up. Simply click on it, and after this your registration will process, and after a few days you will be able to get your online credit card from Wells Fargo. If you think this video is helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.